Good morning. Standard 9, subject English. Today we will learn a passage on the part which we learned yesterday. Lesson number 1.5, the necklace part 2. So, passage. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. Simple factual activity. Complete the following table. First point, utterance. Second, who said it. Third column, to whom. And fourth column, when. First sentence, I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Second sentence, it will give us time to look some more. Now second point, complete the following sentences with the information given in the passage. She remained in her ball dress all night, dash. At the end of 1 week, they, dash. Third, the husband and wife were sick with, dash. Fourth, Mr. Loyal said, dash. Passage 1, page number 28. They looked in the folds of her, dash, sick with grief and anguish. So, A2, complex factual activity. Describe the efforts made by the couple to find the lost necklace. Next question, vocabulary based activity. Write the meaning of. First, glimmer of hope. Second, a hollow, pale figure. Third, sick with grief and anguish. Fourth, cloak. Next point, write 4 small words each from the following words. First word is remained. Second, newspaper. Third, nothing. Fourth, husband. Then A4, grammar language study based activity. Spot and circle the error in the following sentences. Then rewrite the corrected sentences. First sentence, but they could not found it, circle found. Second sentence, you must write to your friend, circle write. Third sentence, at the end of 1 week, they have lose all hope, circle lose. Then next point, they stared on each other, circle on. Second point, use simple present tense from form and rewrite the following sentences. I went to the police station. First sentence. Second, they lost all hope. So use present tense form. Next question. Personal response, open-ended question. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. A. Mathilde was shocked and despaired over the loss of her necklace. Second, Mathilde wrote a note to her friend as dictated by her husband. And third, Mathilde and her husband decided to replace the necklace. So, this is the passage on that part we learned. And now You solve this passage in your notebook as well as in your workbook and complete it and read by heartily again and again. So we stop here.